DevCraft helps 100,000 developers worldwide build rich, high-performance .NET apps in less time and under budget. Check out the highlights of the Q2 2013 release. This release of RAD controls for ASP.NET AJAX is all about performance. The new HTML5 and CSS3 based rendering mode for several controls results in more lightweight HTML, CSS, and resources used. A new tile list control joins the suite to help you leverage the latest technology trends. We continue working on mobile optimizations under all browsers and devices, especially IE10. A brand new data storage functionality for Windows 8 makes the communication with the SQL database easier. Your application can now store data while it is offline without you having to create a storage engine. Other new additions include Calendar for both XAML and HTML, inline grid editing, and token input for HTML. RAD Tile List goes official. We've added tile grouping for faster and more convenient navigation. Our demos go more touch-friendly to deliver optimal performance on even the most sensitive touchscreens. Finally, the RAD spreadsheet control is now enriched with more built-in formulas, find and replace functionality, and hyperlink support. RAD Controls for Windows Phone introduces a brand new cloud synchronization mechanism. It comes with offline support that allows your app to work in both offline and online mode. No need to manage a local database and develop a complicated synchronization mechanism. The image editor is the other exciting addition to the suite. Building a photo editing app for Windows Phone has never been easier. You get tools such as crop, resize, adding effects, changing contrast, and many more right out of the box. Telerik Reporting adds interactivity to its graph item, which functions in exactly the same way as the cross tab, i.e., codelessly, by using a dialog. The available interactive actions are expand collapse categories and subcategories on the same axis, toggle the visibility of a report item, open a report subreport, link to a web page, and jump to another location within the same report. The improved RAD trackbar for WinForms enables your end users to select multiple ranges of values in a single trackbar control. It is highly customizable and comes with different modes out of the box. The demo application now boasts a completely revamped UI, which follows the latest usability trends and provides a clean interface for browsing through the more than 230 source code examples. Open Access ORM makes your workflow in model-first and round-trip scenarios easier than ever. The schema migration functionality helps you clean up the obsolete database artifacts during the schema migration process. New custom code generation options enable you to instantly switch on the generation of iNotify proprietary changed calls and provide you with an easier access to data annotations, as well as complete customization control over the code generation templates. Now you can debug decompiled source code right inside Visual Studio, and you can step into third-party libraries without having the source code available. Plus, the enhanced unit test runner makes it even easier to run, filter, and organize your unit tests in just code. And that's not all. The new file templates allow for easy creation, usage, and customization of new files in your project. Let JustMock worry about what you are mocking. One fluent and easy-to-use API whether mocking custom code or the MS Core Lib. Work with the syntax you know and use most, the JustMock public API. finally, with Silverlight Elevated Mocking support, Just Mock makes unit testing your Silverlight projects easier and faster than ever. Just Trace's intuitive UI and seamless UX help you to easily optimize your apps, track down and remove memory leaks and performance issues. The clean UI makes navigation and workflow intuitive and fast. The smart memory analyses quickly locate and show you the cause of your memory leak. The bottlenecks view helps you optimize your app by pinpointing which methods significantly reduce performance. Just Decompile decompilation output and performance are now greatly improved. The result? Decompiled code with fewer errors, good looking, and readable. And that's not all. The new Just Decompile tabs allow you to easily switch between different methods and assemblies in a single Just Decompile instance. Kendo UI Complete for ASP.NET MVC officially succeeds the former Telerik extensions for MVC, as it enhances Telerik's ability to deliver more value to ASP.NET MVC developers. With this next generation of MVC extensions, you can increase device reach using the cross-platform power of modern HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. You can also leverage the client and server pieces independently or together, depending on your preferences or project requirements. Download the latest versions of Telerik Developer Tools and get all the new goodies for yourself. For the best value and ultimate service, check out our DevCraft bundles. Telerik DevCraft. .NET made simple. Apps made awesome.